Hi guys, this is practically day 2 for me. I reached last night and today it's very cold. I'm gonna do a short video because I cannot uh, keep my hands without the gloves for too long. As you see, uh, probably if you have never seen an Indian Eskimo, look at me right now. Beautiful place, look at this location. Amazing place. Oh God. I come far away from where I am, where I am lodged. So beautiful location. I'm gonna do a small trek. I'm trying to find a riverside which is frozen, which I could see from my lodging area. So I'm just trying to walk up. All these places have fences. That looks amazing to me. You know, beautiful, beautiful sun. It's 12 o'clock at the moment. So maybe if you see the shadow is right down. Uh, yeah, I thought I should do a video. Uh, Probably, yeah, that's me. Thank you.